Welcome back to KM Webverse. This is Kashif Mahmood. If you are not able to change your featured products, then you are at the right place, because in this video I will tell you how you can change featured products on your Shopify store. So it's a very quick fix. You just need to go to the products, and here you will see all of your products that are added to your Shopify store. And if you want to change the featured products, then you can just go to this collection tab over here, and here you will see the featured collection. You can go to that, and here you will see all the products that are added in the featured products. So you can remove any product if you want by just clicking on this cross button. So you can see the products are updating live, and if you want to add any new product, just go to browse, and here you can check mark all of the products that you want to add in the feature tab. So if you want to add this one, then just check mark and click on done, and products updated. So that's how you can change the products in featured products, and you can also change the sorting of the featured products by using these sorting options. So that's it for the video. Like this video and leave a comment if you have any question, and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. See you next time.